Alright guys, so today's video, it's been a minute y'all. I've been trying to keep up with the Joneses, but y'all know it's just to be tired and I'll be busy. Today's video is going to be all about Instacart. Now y'all know, you got all these delivery services coming out. You got, of course, we already know about Uber Eats. You got, what is it? DoorDash. What's the little one with the people on the bike? All the delivery services. I can't think of it. What is that? Oh, Postmates. You got Postmates. You got all these different delivery sites coming on where you basically can probably just sit at home and absolutely never leave the house but for work. And even if you got an online job, you don't even have to leave the house for that either. So I was scrolling on Facebook like, Facebook. And I had an advertisement on there for Instacart. Never heard of this place before, but of course I'm like, Instacart, another delivery service. And you know, I always like to get up on the free delivery services when they first come out. And so Instacart was one of those ones that I tried, and the thing that attracted me to Instacart was it delivered groceries from Aldi. Now I've seen places like Walmart do deliveries. Haven't really seen Target do deliveries yet, but they do have the express pickup where you can basically grocery shop and then bring the stuff out to your car. But Instacart is more so of a delivery service. And so this video is going to be all about the review of Instacart. Alright, so Instacart. This is a grocery store delivery app. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience with it. Okay, so basically Instacart gave me a free 14-day free trial, which in my opinion, do I really need to go grocery shopping twice in 14 days? I don't have a lot of kids, so that's a no for me, dog. Got a free coupon from Facebook for $10 to use Instacart. So that basically was like, delivery is gonna be free, and maybe even one item, maybe some eggs or something, was gonna be free. So, cool, no problem. So, you basically log on to the website, or you can log on, download the app. You sign up for the app. And you use your little code for the $10. So just like if you were in a grocery store, you just go down the list saying all the little stuff that you want for grocery shopping. Whoop-de-whoop-whoop. So this was my first official grocery shop of the year. And I said, hey, let me use Instacart, see how it's working. Right? So ordered a whole bunch of stuff. Of course, when you're done ordering, they gave you a little free code that you can give people. That's my free code. So if y'all want to try it, y'all can use that free code and get $10 off your first order. Use your little $10 code, order your stuff. Now, this is how the experience go. Okay? So I guess these people walk around the store and they grocery shop for you and they get all the items on your list. If there is something that is not in stock, they instantly will send you a text message. It'll look something like this. They send you text either saying it's out of stock, or you could click on a link and it'll tell you, do you want to, replace it with this? And you approve it or disapprove it. So even though it's an online order, you actually want to stay monitoring your phone or the app, because notifications are going to come up just in case something is out of stock or whatever the case may be. Now, when you order on the actual thing, the actual website or the app, it tells you how much the stuff is and the quantity. So, for some reason, I end up getting one sweet potato, instead of a bag of sweet potatoes, when indeed the price was for a full bag of sweet potatoes. I've seen somewhere online where somebody got like 11 bundles of bananas instead of 11 individual bananas. Like, what? So, although it is a good shopping site, sometimes I think maybe the drivers should probably use common sense, or like actually use the text messaging to communicate and talk, because that could have been communicated. Like, I'm not going grocery shopping to buy one sweet potato. It's just not happening. So they send you these texts, you reply, you approve grocery shopping switches, and then basically you approve. After you approve it and all that, they'll give you a little window. So I got this email. So this email shows basically the little delivery window. If anything changes or if it's going to be later or sooner, then they let you know in the email. So I ordered groceries like as soon as I got home from work. And they said they would be here about 11. I got home from work about 10 o'clock in the morning. And they said they would be here between 11 and 12. Then they changed the time and said it wouldn't be till a little bit after 12:15. But then it ended up being really 11:30. So the lady came exactly to my apartment. I watched her outside the window. She had these huge bags, like the reusable bags with paper Audi bags on the inside. So I don't even think I had to pay for the Audi bags. So I guess that's one way to get around it, because you don't have to pay for the Audi bags. Well, she brought them all the way upstairs by herself, this little girl. 3 big bags. I mean, she got so much groceries in them bags. I don't even put that much groceries in them bags, but it was strong and it worked and it was tough. So she put the groceries in the bag, brought them all the way up to the stairs, even brought them into my house. Like, of course, she asked permission first. Like, is it okay for me to step in your house? And I'm like, oh, yeah. So these are my groceries. I'm going to show you little videos. Overall, my experience with Instacart was pretty good. It was okay for the first time. I'm still a little bit confused about the one sweet potato. I feel like I should have got a text message about one sweet potato. Because I actually wanted a bag of sweet potatoes, and that's what it actually said online. But other than that, I think it was a really, really good experience. I mean, especially if you just want to do some quick grocery shopping and you don't feel like running around the freaking grocery store, do it. Do it. Y'all see my code. I'm going to put it over there. But definitely try Instacart. Use my code. Use your auntie code, your mama code, I don't know. Use somebody code. But y'all know, a sister love a free trial. Anyway, I already canceled my free trial. But I might use it again. Another downfall about it is, after the free trial, they want you to pay $100 a year. Yeah, no. If there was other options, I didn't see the other options. It was hard to find the other options. I'm just not that lazy to pay $100 a year for groceries deliveries. Probably sign up for my husband's name next time for another free trial. Y'all know how it is. Switch your name, another free trial, same address, and see what happened. Anyway, yeah, so that was my review. And yeah, that was Instacart. So tell me what you guys think at the bottom of this review. Let me know what your experience was using Instacart, and tell me what else free trials that's out there so I can try them too. All right, y'all. Deuces. I'm out.